In this video, we share with you our list of the top 5 Xiaomi phones. Since different people have different needs, stay tuned till the end because you never know which of our choices could be the best for you. Xiaomi Redmi A1, best budget. First up on our list is the Xiaomi Redmi A1, crowned as the best budget pick. This phone is like the thrift shop of the smartphone world, full of surprises and kind to your wallet. Pros: 1. Price: the Redmi A1 is like finding a designer label in a bargain bin. It's highly affordable, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers or as a first smartphone for teens. 2. Performance: for its price, the performance is like a trusty old car. It won't win races, but it'll get you where you need to go. It handles basic tasks such as browsing and social media with ease. 3. Build quality: despite its low cost, the build doesn't feel cheap. It's like getting a sturdy backpack at a discount store, functional and more durable than you'd expect. 4. User-friendly interface: the Redmi A1 comes with a clean and straightforward UI, akin to finding a well-organized bookshelf. Everything is easy to find and use. Cons: 1. Camera quality: the camera is a bit like a disposable camera at a wedding, good for snapshots but not for capturing fine details. It's serviceable but won't satisfy photography enthusiasts. 2. Battery life: the battery life is like a short city commute. It's fine for daily use, but might not last on longer journeys. Heavy users might find themselves reaching for the charger more often. 3. Display: the screen, while adequate, won't wow you. It's like watching standard definition TV. When you know 4K exists, it does the job but lacks that extra clarity and vibrance. 4. Limited advanced features: if this phone were a pizza, it'd be cheese and tomato, only no extra toppings. It lacks some of the advanced features found in pricier models. In conclusion, Xiaomi Redmi A1 is like a no-frills airline. It gets you to your destination without burning a hole in your pocket. It's an ideal pick for those who need a basic, reliable smartphone without the added cost of fancy features. Xiaomi Poco X5 PRO 5G, best performance. Moving on to the next star of our list, Xiaomi Poco X5 PRO 5G, which proudly wears the crown for best performance. This phone is like the Olympic athlete of the smartphone world, fast, powerful, and always ready to go the extra mile. Pros: blazing fast performance. This phone's performance is like a sports car in a world of sedans. With its high-end processor, it breezes through tasks, games, and multitasking like a hot knife through butter. 2. 5G connectivity. It's like upgrading from snail mail to email. The 5G support ensures lightning-fast internet speeds, making streaming and downloading a breeze. 3. Impressive display. The display on this device is like a window to a brighter world. With vibrant colors and high resolution, it's perfect for binge, watching your favorite shows, or exploring new games. 4. Long battery life. The battery life is like a marathon runner. It just keeps going and going. Even with heavy usage, it's likely to last you through the day and then some. 5. Solid build quality. Holding this phone is like gripping a well-crafted tool. It feels robust and well-made, reassuring you of its durability. Cons: 1. Camera performance in low light. While the camera is generally good, it's a bit like a vampire. It doesn't perform its best in low light. Photos might lack clarity and detail in darker environments. 2. Heft and size. This phone is like carrying a small book in your pocket. It's on the heavier and larger side, which might not appeal to those who prefer a more compact device. 3. Heat management. Under intense usage, it can get a bit warm like a laptop that's been working overtime. This isn't a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. 4. Software bloatware. The phone comes with some pre-installed apps, akin to finding leaflets in your mailbox. Not necessarily useful and takes up space. In summary, Xiaomi Poco X5 PRO 5G is like a premium steak at a mid-range price, offering top-notch performance that's hard to beat in its category. It's an ideal choice for power users who need speed, efficiency, and reliability wrapped up in one smart device. Xiaomi Redmi 12, best value. The next product on our list is Xiaomi Redmi 12, taking the crown as the best value phone. It's like the Swiss Army knife of smartphones. Versatile, reliable, and surprisingly affordable. Pros: balanced performance. The Redmi 12 is like a good middle child. It doesn't demand too much attention but consistently does well. It offers a smooth experience for most daily tasks and casual gaming. 2. Quality display. Watching videos on this phone is like having a mini cinema in your pocket. The display is sharp and vibrant, making it great for streaming your favorite shows. 3. Decent camera quality. The camera is like a trusty point and shoot, good for everyday photography. It captures decent photos in well-lit conditions, ensuring your memories are just a click away. 4. Modern design. This phone is like that trendy outfit you didn't expect to find at a budget store. Stylish yet affordable. Its design feels contemporary and can easily compete with more expensive models. 5. Good battery life. The battery life is like a reliable friend. Always there when you need it, it can comfortably last a day on moderate usage. Cons. 1. Average low-light camera performance. The camera struggles a bit in the dark, like a scared cat in a horror movie. Low-light photos might lack clarity. 2. Speaker quality. The speaker is like a radio jockey with a sore throat, not the clearest or loudest. This might be a turnoff for audiophiles. 3. Limited advanced features. While it covers the basics well, it's like a hotel without a pool, missing some of the extra frills you might find in premium models. 4. Plastic build. The body of the phone, while sturdy, feels more plastic than premium, akin to wearing a polyester suit instead of silk. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Redmi A1 offers great value for its price. Like finding a treasure in a thrift shop, it's an excellent choice for those who want a decent smartphone experience without breaking the bank. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. Best battery life. The next contender on our list is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, which grabs the spotlight as the best battery life choice. Imagine a camel in the smartphone desert. It just keeps going and going. Pros. 1. Exceptional battery life. The battery life on this phone is like having a mini power plant in your pocket. It's capable of lasting more than a day even with heavy usage, making it a reliable companion for long trips or intense gaming sessions. 2. Solid performance. Performance-wise, the Redmi Note 12 is like a trusty workhorse, reliable and consistent. It handles everyday tasks and moderate gaming without breaking a sweat. 3. Good display quality. The display is like a window to a vibrant world, offering crisp and clear visuals, which is great for media consumption. 4. Decent camera for the price. The camera, while not the best in the business, is like a budget-friendly tourist camera. Good enough to capture your daily moments and decent quality. 5. Sleek design. The design of this phone is like wearing a classic watch. It has an elegance to it that belies its price tag. Cons. 1. Average low-light camera performance. In low light, the camera can be a bit like a sleepy owl, not the best at seeing in the dark. The photos might lack detail and clarity. 2. No high refresh rate. The screen, while clear, is like a calm sea. It doesn't have the high refresh rate waves that many users have come to enjoy for smoother scrolling and gaming. 3. Plastic build. The build, although sturdy, feels more like a budget choice rather than a premium one, akin to choosing a sturdy backpack over a designer bag. 4. Speaker quality. The speaker quality is a bit like a small-town radio. It does the job but doesn't expect a concert hall experience. In summary, Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 is like a marathon runner in the world of smartphones. It keeps going long after others have called it a day. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize battery life above all else, ensuring that your phone stays alive as long as your day demands. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Best camera. Rounding off our list is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro, which earns its stripes as the best camera phone in our lineup. This device is like the paparazzi of the smartphone world, always ready to capture the perfect shot. Pros. 1. Stellar camera performance. The camera on this phone is like having a professional photographer in your pocket. It excels in various lighting conditions, ensuring your photos are Instagram ready without much fuss. 2. High-performance hardware. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 12 Pro is like a sports car, fast and responsive. It handles demanding apps and games with ease, making it a delight for tech enthusiasts. 3. Vibrant display. The display is akin to a mini art gallery, bright, clear, and vivid. Whether you're watching videos or browsing photos, the experience is immersive. 4. Premium design. Holding this phone feels like gripping a piece of modern art. It has a sleek and high-quality finish that rivals more expensive models. 5. Fast charging. The charging speed is like a pit stop in a Formula 1 race. Quick and efficient, you won't be tethered to a charger for long. Cons. 1. Price point. In the realm of budget phones, this one is like dining at a fancy restaurant, a bit more expensive than its peers. 2. Battery life. While not poor, the battery life is like a short but sweet dessert you wish there was more. It might not last as long as some other models, especially with heavy use. 3. Heavier build. This phone is like a weighty novel, substantial and a bit heavy. Those who prefer lighter phones might find it cumbersome. 4. Overzealous AI in photography. Sometimes the AI enhancements in photography can be like an over-enthusiastic makeup artist. A bit too much, leading to slightly artificial-looking images. In summary, Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro is like a celebrity in the smartphone world. Stylish, powerful, and camera-ready. It's the perfect pick for photography lovers who want top-notch picture quality without venturing into the realm of professional cameras. So which of these phones do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Subscribe to receive our newest videos. Catch you on the next video.